35 is a statistics question, asking you to find the range and outliers, talking about mothers who asked how many months old their babies were when their children cut their first tooth. So we're finding the range and the outliers. So the range is going to be the big minus the low. So the biggest number I see up here is a 10. The smallest number I see is a 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. This means our range is 9, which means right now I can cross off choices A and D. So now all we have to decide is whether or not B is correct and there's an outlier of 1, or C is correct and there are no outliers. Well, the way we decide this is by a method I haven't quite shown this year, the school year for 2010-2011. Maybe I'll get to it next year. What you do is you take the Q3 value from your calculator. So what I've done is I've put my numbers in the list, like I've shown before in class. Go out of here, then you do a one variable statistics. And when you scroll down, you look at the Q1 and the Q3. On the calculator, the Q3 minus the Q1 is equal to 9 minus 6, which is 3. This is called the IQR. Again, I know I didn't teach this, but hey, if you can pick it up for extra credit, more power to you. So we have a window which is equal to 1.5 times the IQR. So this is equal to 1.5 times 3, so my window is 4.5. So our rule is we can take the window, we go that below the Q1 or that above the Q3, and if you have data values that are outside that window, then they're outliers. So on the low side, to test if one is a outlier, I take my Q1, which is 6, I'm going to minus 1.5 IQRs, which is equal to 6 minus 4.5, which is equal to 1.5. And because 1 is smaller than 1.5, 1 is an outlier, so the correct answer is B.